Hi everyone, if you're new to this channel, my name is Eric, and this is a series of videos made for my operations management class 3010. It's for an assignment, and this time it's discussion board on week 12, where we examine how remote work has changed the way organizations understand and measure the workplace plagiarism. The article by Holland and colleagues explains that telework environments shift the context of counterproductive work behaviors. In a traditional office, plagiarism often involves taking credit for a coworker's work or copying internal documents without acknowledgement. But in remote settings, this behavior moves into digital spaces where authorship and intent are harder to interpret. One of the key insights from the article is that remote work reduces certain interpersonal forms of misconduct simply because employees are not physically together. You can steal from a coworkers in the traditional sense when everyone is working from home. However, this doesn't eliminate plagiarism, it transforms it. Remote work increases access to shared documents, templates, and collaborative platforms, which can make it easier to copy texts or ideas without proper attribution. At the same time, digital tools create new ways to detect plagiarism. Version stories, timestamps, and edit logs provide traceability that wasn't always available in face to face environments. This means organizations must refine how they define and measure plagiarism, distinguishing between intentional misconduct, accidental overlap, and legitimate collaboration. Overall, remote work requires clear authorship, expectations, and a transparent contribution tracking practices. A balanced approach, one that focuses on fairness rather than heavy surveillance, supports integrity across both remote and in person teams. The shift to telework doesn't remove workplace plagiarism, it simply changes how it must be understood, measured, and managed. And if you got to this point, I want to thank you for listening to my presentation. And like always, I'm going to leave you my LinkedIn and WordPress links down below. Go ahead and go check that blog post if you want to learn more about this topic. And I'm going to leave you the works cited on the bottom as well if you want to go check the article. And thanks again and see you next time. Bye bye.